All right, Colin, what time is it?
It's about 3:30 a.m.
3:30 a.m.
About to blast up.
Why do we do these things to ourselves? Upper Boy Scout Lake, first glow of the day. A little around 2 hours cruising. Behold the alpenglow of Mount Whitney and the Needles. Iceberg Lake, about 3 hours, making decent time. That section was shit. There's Mount Russell. All right, first pitch of the route. Let's settle up. All right, man, let's do it.
This is our shit.
Climbing in a cathedral of granite.
Russell leading on Fishhook. Let's go.
Fuck yeah, dude. Oh, it's so close. You did it.
Holy shit.
You know, we didn't set any speed records. We got it done successfully.
Fought through the cold.
Woo! Late season sin.
Very late.
We are the only ones out here. Woo-hoo! Woo! Alpine vibes.
Last light up here.
Woo! Could not be a more beautiful sunset. Well, we're a little tired. We made some route planning errors on the East Ridge descent, but we overcame them, slowed us down a bit, but we're making our way home.